In this video, we are going to solve a static problem in which we have to resolve f1 and f2 vector into its v and u components and also determine their magnitudes. So first we are resolving f1 vector into its components. As you can see, the u component of f1 vector is already in its position. So we are solving for its v component. So in parallel vector, their direction and magnitude both are same. So we are making the vector v in parallel. So after making vector v in parallel, we get our v component of f1 vector. For finding their magnitude, we must have to know all the angles of this triangle. So the only known angle is 45 degree. So now finding the angle alpha. We can find this angle by parallelogram method. As you can see, this angle alpha is same as the 30 degree. So we can say that alpha angle is 30 degrees and the angle beta is came out by the sum of angles. We know that the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. So by simplifying it, we get our angle beta, which is 105 degrees. So now we got all the angles. And now we can easily find f1u and f1v by sine law. And here's how we will find it. So now let's move on to the second part. In the second part, we are working for the f2 vector. We have to solve f2 vector in its v and u components. So in this scenario, the v component is already in its position. So we are working for the u component. As we did earlier, we are making the parallel vector concept. We are making the vector u in parallel. After making the vector u in parallel, we get our components of f2 vectors. So now we have to find all the angles to determine their magnitudes. As you can see, only one angle is known to us, so we can find other angle by parallelogram method and the third angle by sum of angles formula. And now we have known all the angles. And now we can easily find the magnitudes of f2v and f2u by sine law as we did earlier.